Rest in peace to Screw tonight, we take it slowly. Yeah.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astroworld for another video. Y'all already know we trying something different today. Once again, we are going to be unboxing some stuff from Astroworld, but I also do want to talk about a couple of my favorite songs from the album. I know I never got to talking about the album actually, but this shit has been on replay ever since it came out. I've been playing this shit every single day. Like, it's actually a part of my routine, and there's a couple songs on the album Astroworld that I actually really do like. A couple of them being, matter of fact, I'm not even going to talk about them yet because it would kind of defeat the purpose of the video. So for every package that I unbox, I will be telling you guys what is my favorite song, and I might give a couple honorable mentions at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Now, if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, click that Gleam link at the top of the description. We're about to be done with this giveaway, so go ahead and click that Gleam link at the top of the description if you do want to win $50 in PayPal credit. So go ahead and do that. The giveaway is almost done, but without any further ado, man, let's get straight into this video. So I'm not even gonna sit here and lie to you guys like I haven't opened these shits. It is Astroworld, and I've been holding this shit here for like months now, so I would honestly be a fool if I lied to you guys saying that I didn't open these shits, but I did, you feel me? I never took it out the package or anything, but I did open it. I'm guilty of that. But right here we do have the first piece I did get, or actually the last piece I did get. We got the season pass right here. I don't know what the hell the season pass does, but I do have the season pass right here. This shit does look clean, like it twinkles in the night, you feel me? If that's what you're into, then that's pretty cool, I guess. We got some shit on the back. I do not know what that shit says right there, but this is pretty cool. I'm just gonna hang it as another accessory in my room. But we do got the most common, the cheapest shirt from Astroworld, the Wish You Were Here tee. I'm not even gonna waste any time. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it for you guys. This video is long overdue, but I hope this goes to show that I don't give a shit when people post a video about something. If it's not supreme and I know that I'm on a time crunch kinda, I will post these shits when I feel like it. This feels like straight up Gildan. This is straight Gildan, boys, 100%. Yeah, it smells like Gildan, bro. But it does say Astroworld right there. It says Wish You Were Here right under it. It has like this skeleton on a horse. Then on the bottom it says enjoy the ride. I'm pretty sure that means enjoy the concert. This is the concert tee, so I wouldn't be shocked if this would be one of the tees that he does sell on the tour. But it has the bigger version of the front graphic right here. This piece is actually hard. People slept. This shit was like $25 plus shipping, obviously, but this is a clean piece, and you guys will be seeing me wear this one a whole lot. Considering the fact that it is a cheap shirt, you could just beat this shit up like fuck it, right? You got the small graphic on the left side right here, then you got the big ass graphic on the back. The quality doesn't feel that bad as far as the printing goes, but the tee, you could pretty much tell that it is Gildan. It does say like Travis Scott or Astroworld right here. These are like the blanks that Gildan sells. I'm not amazed, honestly, not shocked. I was already expecting this, honestly, but the first song that I would definitely recommend from Astroworld is Houston Fornication. That shit is a vibe, bro. I'm so glad I got a whip now, so I'm gonna bump that shit. I'm impatiently waiting for that moment. Y'all don't even know, bro. I'm gonna be bumping Astroworld all day, every day. And Houston Fornication is one of those songs, bro. It just takes you to like another space, like another place. I don't know. That shit is just a vibe, bro. Like, shit is a vibe. If you haven't listened to it yet and you're a hip hop fan or advocate, I don't know what you're doing. That shit is hard, bro. Like, I feel like this album, Travis Scott actually dove into his sound a little bit more, which I actually really do like. He basically refined his sound in a way and just made it better. Like, I feel like he actually sounds like Travis Scott is supposed to sound in 2018. Maybe I'm bugging out, but that was the first song to match this tee right here. We got 2 more songs to go. 2 more pieces to go. So right here we got another piece, and once again, I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you like I didn't open this shit, and you already saw what it is. But we do got the Astroworld hoodie, bro. I've been waiting to take this out the package for the longest. This is probably the tee that you're gonna see on a whole lot of thumbnails, bro. I said the tee. This is probably the hoodie you're gonna be seeing, because this one right here, all sewn in, bro, this is a masterpiece. I honestly don't care about the quality at this point, and I keep looking at myself in the little camera screen. My bizzle, it just is what it is. But this shit right here is a banger, bro. This shit is a banger. I love this hoodie, and I haven't even touched it. People said that the quality on this one was bad, but it doesn't feel all that bad. We got that Astroworld on the front, all sewn in, real sexy on the front. Then on the back, we got the Wish You Were Here in that big ass print. Anybody is gonna wish you were here at this point, bro. If you don't see this from afar, you tripping. This shit big as as hell, but we got that branding on the front. Low-key, I do feel the gildedness in it, but fuck it. We got that Astroworld on the front. That shit is fire, dude. We got some thread like on the top right there. I don't really care. The stitching doesn't feel all that bad. I low-key knew what I was getting into when I purchased these quality-wise, but it's still like, bro, I'm Astro Nori. This is Astroworld. Like, it's low-key a match. Like, I'm feeling it. I'm really digging it, as you guys just saw, but this shit is hard, bro. Like, y'all will be seeing a whole lot of this. Right now, I feel like my hoodie collection is impeccable. I got a lot of hoodies that I actually do like, and this is one of them, bro. I honestly want to know what you guys picked up from the whole Astroworld collection. There was a lot of stuff, bro. Like, he had a crate, he had a grinder, a ton of shit, bro. Like, a lot of shit. He had a rug, a blanket, clothes, hoodies. He had everything you needed in a collection, and I feel like this is probably one of the pieces that'll be iconic because it's simple, has a whole Astroworld on it, and it's not over the top, and it's still embroidered, so like you cannot go wrong with this. But that pretty much does it for this hoodie. Now, the song that I would pair up with this hoodie would have to be Rest in Peace to Screw. Bro, rest in peace to Screw, tonight we take it slow, yeah. That should make you feel like you sip and lean, even if you never tried it before, you know? But that shit is hard, bro. Like, that song right there is definitely a vibe. It just sounds like he actually took it slow. Like, he was just vibing on the beat as per usual. But that one right there, bro, it takes it over the top for me. Like, it reminds me why I like Travis Scott. I actually love mellow music. So that right there is like the epitome of mellow music. Shit is hard, bro. You cannot go wrong with that song. So far we got 2 songs, Houston Fornication and RIP Screw. Those are probably 2 of my favorites from the album, so I don't know what I'm gonna mention from here on out. I'm kind of just saying these shits off the cuff, so I don't know what's gonna happen with this next piece, you feel me? But that RIP Screw, y'all need to bump that shit. Like, if you haven't bumped that Travis Scott album yet, bro, I just really don't know. Like, I don't know why. It might not be the best album of the year, but to me, if you're a Travis Scott fan, you will feel where I'm coming from. Like, there is some heat on there. Obviously, there's some songs that you might not like. It's not for everybody, like, but some of these songs, it's just like, bro, you have to be able to catch that vibe. Like, you just have to, bro. But here we got another piece. This is the last piece that I picked up from Travis Scott and the whole collection. This was actually one of the pieces that came out later on, and this shit right here is hard. I think this was like kind of a collab or some shit where they did like 500 tees that had the Air Force Ones on it. But this one right here, you feel me? I got the regular shit. We ain't about to get the little limited shit. Nope. Not with all these L's that been hanging out here. You feel me? Like, it's been a whole lot of L's being handed out. And this was another one kind of low-key, but we got that Virgil Abloh with the Astroworld collab. You already know how we coming. This is Gildan Boy 100%. But we got that Travis Scott on the front with the Jordan 4s. Pocket right here to hide your narcs at. But we got that huge-ass print on the back. It says Travis Scott Virgil Abloh, which is being covered by his leg and the kneecap. And then we got Astroworld right under it with the 2018 right under that. As you guys can see, there's like a shadow behind the letters, which is actually sick, bro. You got the Jordan 4s right there. Let me pull those up for you guys real quick. You got the cactus joints on in the tee, which is honestly sick. I love these kicks. Like, bro, I haven't worn these shits yet, but definitely fire. I can never see myself letting these shits go, honestly. I feel like them pair of sneakers are gonna gain value so much down the line. I'm so glad I actually bought them for resale, but I got them for a pretty good price, and the way that I got them, it's just a huge story right there. But this tee right here is crazy, bro. I really do like this tee. I was honestly considering selling it, but at this point, I really don't know. I might just wear this shit once, take a really cool fit pic, and let it go. So I don't know, bro. If you guys are interested in this, actually hit me up, because I might be willing to let this go. And don't get it twisted, I got like 10 pieces of Supreme that I'm gonna be selling. Hopefully this week I will be starting it. I think that I might let this go. I got like 6-7 tees, a long sleeve, a hoodie, a jersey, a lot of stuff coming. Just stay tuned, bro. Subscribe and click those post notification bells, because we are gonna be starting a business out this beach. You already know how we coming in 2018 before 2019. We got this heat piece right here, and there's one more song that I do want to talk about with you guys. I do not know what that is yet. I just got it. I think it's called Can't Say. That shit is hard, bro. Like, the person who collaborated on that song, they're a beast, because I do like their verse more than Travis Scott's. Like, their sound is just really crazy, and it's innovative. Like, I feel like Travis Scott has a sound that people will try and copy for like years, and they'll never get it exactly how he has it. Like, you know how people stole T-Pain's sound, but they actually got like a hang of how he sounded, and some people sounded like T-Pain. Nobody can actually sound like Travis Scott. Like, Like, he has a sound, his lyrics match the way that he sounds. It's just like, it's all there, you feel me? It's in the circle. But I definitely say that Can't Say is another song on that album. It's one of those, bro. You just listen to that shit and you're like, like, come on, bro. Like, that shit is hard, bro. You cannot get it twisted. So the 3 songs that I definitely would recommend from Astroworld would be Can't Say, which is hard, Houston Fornication, undeniably hard, and that RIP Screw. There's a couple other songs on that shit that I listen to a lot, like Yosemite. That shit with The Weeknd, fire. The shit that had Future like in the background, bro. As you can see, I'm an Astroworld fan, so it kind of only made sense to buy these. But if there's anything you take from this video, it would be go listen to a couple of those songs. Let me know what you think down below after you listen to them. Was I right? Was I wrong? Are those songs a vibe or not? Just let me know. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did end up enjoying, go ahead and leave a like down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Click that Gleam link at the top of the description if you do want to win $50 in PayPal credit. I'm gonna get that out to you like this. As soon as you win, bro, you will have that. I'm gonna actually include the winner and send the prize in the same video. So without any further ado, man, I don't even know what to do, man. We about to get up out of here. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. You dig? New intro coming soon. I'm working on that, trust me. And it's gonna have some Astroworld on it. Bang.
Rest in peace, the screw tonight, we take it slow.